Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Dash Auto Works. Today we're gonna be changing the oil in it because I change the oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles and we're just at about, I think, 3,800 miles. I'm gonna just take you guys through a little process of it, show you guys that it's not difficult at all if you wanted to do it yourselves instead of taking it to the dealer or something. I was taking it to the dealer when I had the maintenance plan because it was free, but now I have to do it myself, unfortunately. But I have a lift, so it's not that bad. Even if you have to do it on the floor, it's not bad at all either. Okay, I got you guys in the hair now. I just did a little look over of everything, the suspension and everything. Everything looks good. So we're gonna drain the oil. This is a H8. And we're gonna drain this. One plug. It's gonna splash everywhere. You guys ready? Not that bad. Pretty dirty though, but not terrible. Look, now it's gonna splash everywhere. Alright, fuck. I guess not. Okay, once this started draining a little, we're gonna take out the oil filter. I think this is I think it's 36 millimeter or something, but I already loosened it a little. Needs to be loosened more. Now, let's take this out slowly. That one made a mess. Okay, so right now, I'm just gonna clean the oil filter out. Right about now, we got the new filter, new gasket, new O-ring. Let's put the new O-ring on. Okay guys, now we're gonna be pre-filling the oil filter. Just get some oil in there. Shout out Troy Yoop, he showed me this. He showed me 5W50. He's a boss. Can't lie. Oil is draining. I know some people go the extra step and start draining the oil cooler and everything, but I don't really care to. Right now, we're just gonna put a little bit more. Then we'll put the oil filter back. And it gets tightened to 40 Newton meters. Okay guys, we got the torque wrench set to 40 Newton meters. Gonna be tightening down the oil filter. Now, let's grab the oil plug. Now for the main one, I put it at 35. That's it. Now we're just gonna clean it again, and we're done. So now we're going to be filling her up with oil. Drop the back down. Takes 11 quarts. I'm going to be using the rest of this that I use for the oil filter. Okay, now that we finished the oil change, we're gonna start her up. Then unfortunately there's no dipstick in this car, so we have to measure it in the iDrive. That sounds promising. My vehicle status. We're gonna go to engine oil level. Measure engine oil level. Cannot do it yet. I have to wait for the car to warm up still. I'll check with you guys in 5 minutes. while we wait, I can reset my trip to 0. I'm thinking in the future possibly a wrap. PC forged wheels are still there. You know, I really wanted to black out the housing and the headlights, but my car still has warranty and I don't think I'm gonna mess with them because a lot of them have problems with the angel eyes and the DRLs make going yellow. So if that's messed with, they're not gonna cover it under the warranty. So yeah, I'm thinking to change the color of the calipers though from blue to something else I have in mind. We can make a video for that. I was debating on putting tint on the headlights again, but I don't know. I like it, but I don't like it. Pretty curious to see if you can hear it on camera, but this valve is closed, as you can probably see on the camera. So only gas is, the exhaust is coming out of here. I want to see if you can hear a difference when I open them. Very little, it's not a lot. So finally, after like 20 minutes of just sitting here, it's finally ready. So let's start. It blows up. That would be a video. Imagine, I would be so mad. This shit is so stupid, bro. Like, if there was just a dipstick, I would have finished it like 20 minutes ago. The video would have been over. I don't get it. I really don't. 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. Oh my god, we're getting close to the finish line. There's no oil in it. Oh my god, it's perfect. That's basically all you need to do to change your oil on your F90 M5 or basically any BMW V8. Some others take more oil or less oil. F90 takes 11 quarts, 10.6 quarts to be exact. You guys want a little action? Hold on. Sport Plus. Ooh. Okay, just a quick little video just to show you guys how to change the oil on your F90 M5 or M8 or basically any BMW twin turbo V8 platform. It's pretty simple. You just need the oil filter tool and stuff like that. I recommend putting 5W40 or 5W50 in these cars. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and until the next one, we're out.